Hello, smart humans! Welcome back to Wow Sime. Today, we're talking about something you literally cannot live without. Electricity!
So, what is electricity?
It's me! Hey!
Okay, yes, kind of. Electricity is the flow of tiny particles called electrons. Electricity doesn't just appear like magic. It comes from sources like batteries, power stations, and solar panels.
I love batteries. They're like my energy snacks.
Now here's something important. Electricity needs a path to move. That path is called a circuit.
Closed,
Open.
no path, no party.
Electricity can do amazing things. Light, heat, sound, movement. Basically, I make the world work. Okay, electricity is useful, but dangerous. Never touch exposed wires or sockets with wet hands.
Yeah, I'm fun, but I can shock you.
So scientists! Electricity is the flow of electrons moving through circuits to power our everyday lives, from your phone to your lights to your TV.
Time for a quick brain test. What do we call the path electricity follows? A, B, or C? Drop your answer below.
If you enjoyed this shocking adventure, smash that like button, subscribe for more fun science, and remember, science isn't boring, it's electrifying!